Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Razi. Today we will be learning how to draw a beautiful pot of tulips step by step. First, start with the outline of the pot. Draw a slightly curved rectangle at the bottom of your paper to represent the top edge of the pot. From the ends of this rectangle, draw two lines slanting slightly inward. Connect these lines at the bottom with a straight line to complete the pot. Next, add the soil inside the pot. Draw a slightly curved line just inside the top of the pot, following its shape. Now let's draw the tulip stems. Start from the soil, drawing straight lines upward. Draw 3 stems in total, making sure they vary slightly in height for a more natural look. At the top of each stem, draw the tulip buds. For each bud, draw an oval shape with a pointed tip at the top. The oval should slightly taper at the bottom where it meets the stem. Inside each oval, add a curved line to suggest the opening of the tulip petals. Next, we will draw the leaves. From the base of each stem, draw long curved lines that extend outward. Each leaf should have a pointy end, and the lines should curve naturally to give a following appearance. Add a few more leaves to fill in the space around the stems. Finally, let's add some shading. And there you have it, a beautiful drawing of a pot of tulips. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy drawing!